Dedicating 16 years of your life to a dying art form certainly has its perks. Aside from being able to laugh in the face of a 4-month quarantine, I got to play Scully early. And guess what? It's good. How's everyone's 2020 going? Yeah, mine too. Listen, I'm not a game reviewer, but I have played a lot of games. Like, a lot. And if you're anything like me, you'll know within the first few minutes of playing a game whether or not you're going to be into it. The first thing I noticed about Scully is how tight the controls are. When you pick up a game and it just feels good, you're off to a really great start. The visuals are on point, really cool art style, lots of fun stuff to explore. I was actually surprised at just how much of the level I could explore. Rolling around, jumping down cliffs, sticking to walls, going off huge ramps. Then once you unlock the other forms, the game starts to open up even more, and it helps to keep things fresh. And how could someone who refers to themselves as Sculpture Geek not be in love with characters made of clay? Can't help it. I love clay. Of course, I had as much fun making this as I did playing the game, and 3 of you lucky peeps are gonna win one of these Scully statues that I'm about to roll up for you. Check the link in the description. Oh, and the music. You'll see. They let me use it for this video. Sounds a little something like this. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Guys, check out Scully, releasing August 4th on PlayStation, PC, Xbox, Nintendo Switch. Make sure to pre-order it, wishlist it. You can learn more at scullythegame.com. They didn't tell me how to enter the contest because I can't enter, so check the description below for information on that, or head to scullythegame.com. Listen, you're all winners in my book. But the winners of this contest will be announced August 4th at the launch livestream, where you can watch Scully in action and learn more about the game from the developers. Guys, it's a really fun game. I hope you check it out. Hope you enjoyed the video. The contest is running from July 22nd to August 3rd. It's available to contestants in the US, Canada, and District of Columbia. Sorry for the rest of you guys. Send me some hate mail. August 4th. August 4th. Be there. I won't be. I'll be shipping your statues. It's a good game. It's a good game. It's a good game. It's good. And if you're lucky enough to win one of these statues, come back here and tell me you love me. Alright, that's it. I'll see you next time. Soon. Sooner. I promise. Sooner than this.